In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Supabase connection string. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate it in the dashboard, how to switch connection methods, and how to copy it safely into your app's configuration. Start by opening your browser and going to supabase.com. From the main dashboard, look for the list of your projects and open the one you want to connect to. This brings you into that project's workspace where all key settings live. If you have multiple environments, double check you've selected the correct project so you don't pull credentials from the wrong database. Everything else we do will happen inside this project view. At the top of the project interface, find the Connect option and click it. The Connect page is where Supabase surfaces all the details you need to plug an application into your database. Here, you'll see a ready-to-use database URL, your connection string, along with the core values it's built from. There's usually a convenient copy button to grab the entire string in one click. Remember, these credentials are sensitive. Treat them like passwords. Don't share them publicly, avoid pasting them into screenshots, and store them as environment variables rather than hard-coding them in your source code. Near the top of this page, look for the Method dropdown and click it. This lets you choose how your application connects. Direct connections point straight to your database and are ideal for local development, admin tools, and tasks that need full PostgreSQL features. Session Pooler routes traffic through a pool of longer-lived sessions, which helps reduce connection overhead while maintaining features like prepared statements. Transaction Pooler is optimized for serverless and high concurrency workloads by reusing connections per transaction. It's great for short, bursty queries but does not support certain session-level features. Pick the option that best fits your runtime. As you switch methods, you'll see the host, port, or URL in the connection string update automatically to match your choice. Once you've selected the method, copy the connection string and paste it into your app's configuration, typically as an environment variable like database.url. Keep it out of version control and logs, and rotate credentials if they're ever exposed. And that's all there is to it. Go to supabase.com, open your project, click Connect, choose the appropriate method from the dropdown, and your updated connection string is right there to copy. With that in place, your application is ready to connect to Supabase reliably and securely.